Orcas, also known as killer whales, are among the most intelligent and powerful predators in the ocean. These majestic creatures have earned their reputation as apex predators through a combination of strength, intelligence, and highly coordinated teamwork. Their ability to hunt a wide variety of prey, including fish, seals, sharks, and even whales, places them at the top of the food chain. In fact, orcas are feared by marine animals much larger than themselves, including the massive blue whale. But what makes orcas so terrifying, even to the ocean's giants? Orcas' physical attributes alone make them formidable predators. Adult orcas can grow up to 32 feet in length and weigh as much as 11 tons. Their sleek black and white bodies are designed for speed and agility in the water, allowing them to catch up with even the fastest prey. However, their true power comes from their intelligence and social structure. Orcas are highly social animals that live in pods, which function as tight-knit family groups. These pods can consist of a few to dozens of individuals, each playing a specific role during hunts, while other predators rely on brute strength to overpower their prey. Orcas use a combination of intelligence and collaboration to hunt more efficiently. This social organization allows them to take down prey that would otherwise be too large or strong for any single orca to handle. One of the most remarkable traits of orcas is their ability to adapt their hunting techniques to different types of prey. Unlike many predators that specialize in a specific type of food, orcas are generalists, meaning they can hunt a wide range of animals, from tiny fish to massive whales. What's even more impressive is that orcas use different strategies for each type of prey. For example, when orcas hunt fish, they often work together to create a bubble net. This involves swimming in circles around a school of fish while blowing bubbles to corral the fish into a tight group. Once the fish are trapped, the orcas take turns swimming through the school and picking off their prey. This method, sometimes referred to as the carousel, is a testament to the orcas' intelligence and teamwork when hunting seals or penguins that rest on ice floes. Orcas employ an entirely different strategy. Since they can't climb onto the ice to catch their prey, they create waves to knock the animals into the water. Several orcas will line up and swim quickly toward the ice floe, creating a wave that washes the seal or penguin off the ice and into the water, where the orcas can easily capture it. One of the most chilling examples of orca hunting techniques is their method for attacking large whales. Despite the massive size of whales like blue whales and sperm whales, orcas are still able to bring them down by working together in groups. When hunting whales, orcas focus on the younger, weaker individuals. A pod of orcas will isolate a whale calf or an elderly whale, take turns ramming it, biting its fins, and exhausting it until the whale is too tired to continue. Eventually, the whale succumbs to exhaustion, and the orcas claim their meal. While it may seem counterintuitive that the largest animals on Earth, whales, would fear a smaller predator like the orca, the reasons become clear once you understand orcas' hunting methods. Orcas have been known to attack and kill even the largest whales, including blue whales, which can weigh up to 190 tons. When hunting whales, orcas use their intelligence and teamwork to overwhelm their massive prey. Orcas will often target whale calves, as they are easier to isolate and kill than full-grown adults. The orcas will work together to separate the calf from its mother, blocking the mother's attempts to protect her offspring. Once the calf is isolated, the orcas take turns attacking, biting at the fins and ramming the calf to wear it down. Eventually, the calf becomes too tired to resist, and the orcas move in for the kill. One particularly disturbing aspect of orca hunting behavior is their tendency to consume only certain parts of their prey. For example, orcas are known to kill humpback whale calves, but only eat the tongue, leaving the rest of the carcass behind for scavengers. This selective feeding behavior suggests that orcas are not only skilled hunters, but also discerning eaters who know how to extract the most nutritious parts of their prey. In some cases, adult whales from other species have been observed intervening in orca hunts, even when the victim is not one of their own. For example, Humpback whales have been seen defending gray whale calves from orca attacks, even though gray whales and humpback whales are not closely related. This behavior suggests that some whale species have developed an understanding of the brutality of orca attacks and may seek to prevent them, even when it doesn't directly benefit them. Orcas are also known for their highly selective feeding habits, particularly when it comes to sharks. Orcas have been observed hunting great white sharks, which are typically considered the apex predators of the ocean. However, orcas don't eat the entire shark. Instead, they focus on the shark's liver, which is rich in fats and essential nutrients. What's even more remarkable is the way orcas hunt sharks. Orcas have been observed flipping sharks upside down, inducing a state of paralysis known as tonic immobility. Once the shark is immobilized, the orcas can easily extract the liver without having to worry about the shark fighting back. This level of precision and understanding of shark biology is another example of orcas' incredible intelligence. Orcas' selective feeding habits are not limited to sharks. In many cases, orcas will kill a large animal, such as a whale or a seal, and only consume specific parts of the carcass, leaving the rest behind for other animals to scavenge. This behavior suggests that orcas are not only capable of taking down massive prey, but also know how to prioritize the most nutritious parts of their meal. While orcas are the top predators in the ocean, they do occasionally come into conflict with other formidable sea creatures. One of the few animals that can sometimes stand up to an orca is the sperm whale. Sperm whales are massive creatures, with males weighing up to 90 tons. They have extremely powerful tails, capable of delivering a blow strong enough to kill or seriously injure an orca. However, sperm whales are generally non-aggressive and tend to avoid confrontation with orcas. In most cases, orcas will target the calves or females of sperm whale pods, as they are smaller and less dangerous than the males. Another predator that orcas sometimes encounter is the great white shark. Despite the great white's fearsome reputation, orcas have the upper hand in these encounters. As mentioned earlier, orcas have developed specialized techniques for hunting sharks, such as flipping them over to induce tonic immobility. Once the shark is immobilized, it's easy prey for the orca. In fact, orcas are considered the only natural predator of the great white shark. Interestingly, great white sharks have been observed fleeing areas where orca pods are present. Off the coast of California, researchers have documented a significant decline in great white shark populations in areas where orcas are active. This behavior suggests that even the great white shark, one of the ocean's most feared predators, is no match for the intelligence and power of the orca. Despite their fearsome reputation in the animal kingdom, orcas have a surprisingly complex relationship with humans. In the wild, orcas are generally not a threat to people. In fact, there have been very few recorded instances of orcas attacking humans in the wild. On the contrary, orcas are often curious and even playful around boats and people. Some orca pods have been known to approach boats, seemingly out of curiosity, and engage in playful behavior with the people on board. However, orcas in captivity tell a different story. One of the most infamous cases of orca aggression towards humans involves Tilikum, a captive orca at SeaWorld who was responsible for the deaths of 3 people. Tilikum's story raised widespread concerns about the ethics of keeping orcas in captivity, especially given their high intelligence and complex social structures. Experts believe that the stress and frustration of living in captivity may lead to aggression in orcas. In the wild, orcas have vast territories to roam, complex social lives, and plenty of mental stimulation. In captivity, they are confined to small tanks, isolated from their families, and forced to perform for entertainment. This deprivation of their natural environment can lead to psychological stress, which may manifest as aggression. In conclusion, orcas are one of the most formidable predators in the ocean. Their intelligence, strength, and social cooperation make them capable of hunting a wide variety of prey, from tiny fish to massive whales. Orcas' ability to adapt their hunting techniques to different environments and prey types showcases their incredible problem-solving abilities. Even the largest creatures in the ocean, such as blue whales and sperm whales, are not safe from orca attacks. Orcas' selective feeding habits and their ability to take down other apex predators, like great white sharks, further cement their status as the ultimate predator of the sea. Despite their fearsome hunting prowess, orcas have a complex relationship with humans. While they are generally not a threat to people in the wild, orcas in captivity have been known to display aggressive behavior, likely as a result of the stress and frustration of confinement. This raises important questions about the ethics of keeping such intelligent and powerful animals in captivity. Ultimately, orcas are creatures that inspire both awe and fear. They are ruthless hunters, yet highly intelligent and social animals, whether viewed as terrifying predators or fascinating marine mammals. Orcas command respect in the vast and unforgiving ocean.